So guys, I already did this part. So if I'm going too fast for you, I can just pause the video, okay? Oh, I forgot to introduce myself. What's up guys, welcome to my channel. And I am, of course you know all of me. My name Nikki. Okay, I'm just gonna go back to the most interesting part, drawing. Okay. You're gonna draw a heart here. Half of it, okay? Do not just go like that. Okay? After you have done that, you measure it and okay. So yeah. And okay. Now, since that part is over, we're gonna go here. Oopsies. Okay, now go down. Okay, that is a crown. Okay, now we will be going here and then here. Oh, see what did I just do? Ah, why? Okay. Now we'll do the wings. Now we're gonna do the other one. Nice, okay? After that, we're gonna go in here. Okay. That's okay. Now we're going to write in here. Best mom dancer. Okay. Okay. So now we're going to blend them in. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to blend them in. Okay, I think the next video I'm gonna be blending, but so far I am done. Now I'm gonna write some and write.
Why you never go your toilet?
No. Mom. So this is a Okay, I think I should. This one, I think I did it a little bit. Okay.
Okay, you can play something else, right? So you should be fair, right? You should share, right? Cannot be every time you only want to win.
We are kitchen dalam tu guys. Hot weather, I feel thirsty a lot.
No, cannot right.
Sausage kami
That's not fair, right?
No lah. Even before I eat the sausage also.
Yeah, you should also watch it, channel. It's not right. Know what, don't know what. Can you go and sit with Nana? You sit with Nana.
Done. So thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe, the notification bell, comment below what else do you want me to do. Bye.